All right, we're here at Michael's. It's the first week of August, and they are starting to put their Halloween stuff. That's cute. I like that. I think they had these last year. Small bowl for candy.
It's good looking too up there.
The guy with the kitty cat with the bow tie. Yes, that is adorable. And that's plastic. Hocus Pocus, I need candy. Focus. I like that. Look at the Mr. and Mrs. Kitty. Lots of kitty stuff. I like it.
There's two of them in a bathtub.
Very cute. Yes, lots of Hocus Pocus going on. That's cute. Oh my god, I like everything. I need to quit saying everything is cute, because it is. It is so cute. These are glass. They've had better glass in the past, but it is glass. Alright, let's see if that was it. So fall. Oh yeah, they're just... Some Michaels I saw online had everything out, but here... No. Because I really like the Halloween house displays. And I think that would have been right here, so they do not have that ready yet. Okay, so we got little rose theme going on this year. I actually like that. How much is this? I can't, Robert, can you tell me what price that is? I can't. I can't. $12.99. And I don't even think that's glass. That's some kind of resin. Is this glass? This is glass. That's neat. All you have to do is a regular bottle. Just add a bat charm for $19.99. But remember, Michaels, they always have stuff on sale, and you go online.
Yes.
Yes, I do need a decorative rib cage. Print a coupon online. I like that. Yeah, that's a little morbid. Way little morbid there. Ooh, I like that skull. Oh my god. I don't know. That's just too much. Too much. Ooh, that Frankenstein bust. Mrs. Frankenstein. Whatever. What is she called? The Bride of Frankenstein. Thank you, honey. That's cute. No, she does not light up. Okay. You're right. Her eyes look like they should do something.
Oh.
How much is that? Tell me how much that is, please.
Too much.
I'm sure it is too much.
$39.99.
It is a bit too much. Look at these coffins, though. Oh, they don't open? Oh my god, that's lame.
Doesn't open.
No.
It has to open.
It does not open. Tell me it opens.
It's not meant to open.
That's too bad. That would have been cool if it opened. That would have been much better.
There's the Sands of Time.
Sands of Time. I like it. For $19.99. God, everything is $19.99. Jeez Louise. Alright, yeah, they're definitely still putting the Halloween out. Is that it? What a bummer.
They don't even have David Dead stuff.
No, let's see if they have any at the craft section. So we got the pumpkins they always have every year. $19.99. God, I remember when these were $9.99. So definitely checking the prices up on that. Oh, they're even starting to get Christmas ready. Robert's not ready for Christmas. Okay, here's some more Halloween. Floral Halloween. Ooh, this is nice. $11.99. Like, you can make a wreath out of like this spider web frame. Isn't that neat, honey? Like if you... No, like you put stuff on it to make your own frame.
Okay.
Robert's like, whatever, that's fine. He's not crafty. Decorative filler. It's just little... You're artsy, not crafty. I'd rather you be artsy than crafty. Those are neat as I drop stuff. As I drop a little black bird. Look at that, that's neat. Oh my god, that's only $60, Robert. What a deal. Jeez Louise. Does it seem like everything's a bit expensive this year? I like these black test tubes with the holder. Do we even want to know? $14.99. Okay. Bones. I like those witches hats. And like, if you want to pretend you can't cross stitch, but you want to pretend you do, just say, look what I made. It looks extremely handmade. I love it. $14.99. Yeah, you can hang that and say, yeah, you see what I made? I don't think that's cross stitch. I think that was just, it's back in the day called like some kind of stitch. It has a name. I don't remember. Oh my God. That is adorable. I thought it was going to attack me, but practically shoved that in my face there. It's like, what is he doing? Here's a perfect back scratcher.
Yep. I'm looking for a little skeleton. Stop it.
A skeleton? That's neat.
A smaller skeleton.
For what? Ooh, I like this. So this is like a frame that has 3 cauldrons. That would like cool, like as a centerpiece, filling that with stuff.
For a cat.
You don't want to know. All right, that's fine. I don't want to know. Lots of cute little Halloween filler. Ooh, look at this one. It has an eyeball in it. Random flower with eyeball is $3.99. I kind of like that. It's got damage on it though. Why does it have damage on it? All right. Wow, I got a lot of glass jars. Clearance section and glass jars. That's empty. Ooh, a whole clearance section. Must resist the urge to look. I don't need anything. I'm not looking. I don't need anything. Let's go to the other side and see if we can find Halloween crafty scrapbook stuff. All right, I found the village. It's very small here. I've seen it at a bigger display at other places, but that's very nice.
Have they plug-in things? They're just statues. They gotta be the plug-in.
They're already on sale for $30. Ooh, is that a... Oh, I thought it was a slot machine. Doesn't it look like a slot machine from the distance?
The Palace of Pumpkins.
The Palace of Pumpkins. That's this guy right here. So where is... And that's Agatha's Apothecary. Am I saying that right? None of these look like they have a light up feature, so I don't know. Spooky Town. It's not plugged in. Usually they do light up and stuff, so treat yourself with 31 new and 6 exclusive styles. I don't know. Gloom Room. I like this one. Look, Robert, this is like a dance club.
Dancing. I bet they dance.
The Gloom Room. I don't know. Okay, wait. This one. See what that
I don't
does.
think it's plugged in.
Okay, so this one has the potential to do something. And this one has a battery thing. So this one, these caskets probably open. So a couple of them have the possibility.
It's like a bunch of Frankenstein.
I bet they light up because these look like they light up.
I don't see that.
No. They don't have that one for sale yet? Or unpacked? Yeah, look on that side. I don't think they have it unpacked.
I never understand. Maybe they just never get a full stock of this stuff or somebody buys it all.
We are early.
I know that.
That one's neat. But you're right. They're never like...
This guy, somebody messed him up.
Uh-oh. Is he
Oh, God.
broken off?
I think he's supposed to be right here.
Yeah.
Dog. Wait, no, he was supposed to be up here.
Oh, it's his feet are still attached.
Yeah.
All right, don't buy that one. Don't buy that one. Okay, and then here are like you can add your own mummy, your French fry guy. Ooh, a bird bath. I like that one. That one's cute. This guy. Where'd she go?
Stupid wretch threw it down like it was trash.
A lady just threw it down in front of you?
Oh, a little girl.
Oh, a little girl just threw it down in front of you. And then, ooh, little coffins. That's cute. Halloween festival advertising a Halloween. Okay, and then this is like the doll sticky stuff. So you like put it on the bottom of the figure so it won't move when you like move it around when someone bumps the table. I have a Christmas dollhouse, and so that's... I need a haunted house. I would like a haunted house.
What?
I'm just talking to the camera. I mean, you know, like how we have that Christmas dollhouse?
Yeah.
I would love to have a Halloween dollhouse.
I would too.
Like, not, I mean, this is nice, but like an actual dollhouse. Like, you can add
I want something.
accessories every year. He wants this water thing to be rolling, and actually it can. It's rolling. I'm sure this one does stuff too.
Yeah.
So the one I want, the
Frankenstein
gloom
dancer.
house, is not here. Okay. So, like I said, we are early. You mess with that. I'm gonna go see what else is up here. Just more pumpkins. You see they're filling up space, spacing that out. So yeah, I realize we are early. I'll come back to a different Michael's, but still gonna post this video anyway so you guys can get an idea of what the Halloween stuff is. Because if it's something good, it's gonna sell pretty quickly. So if I want that gloom
I didn't see that one with the big moon.
it's this one right here. It's deceptive. You think it's flat. You think it's a big round ball, but it's not.
It does. That picture.
I know it does. It looks like it's just a flat.
Pretty impressive that they faked me out.
They did fake you out. These witches are
Yeah, I don't like witches.
running around a plain. Wait, come here. See, I'm just saying, if I had, I could add accessories like this. Is that not adorable? The parking meter with the turkey vulture on it,
There's a dead man there too.
and a dead man,
It's like
and a
big
car with zombies. She's waving. She's the queen zombie. And this bird bath. Is that bird bath not neat?
They look like bootleggers to me.
They're definitely bootleggers. They're on their way to the gloom room speakeasy. All right, we'll have to come back to it, and then they're 30%. Does it say how long that lasts? Until the August 20th. It's only August like 8th or 9th today, I don't know. So a whole another week to find the gloom room.